Such is the nature of evil. Out there in the vast ignorance of the world, it festers and spreads. A shadow that grows in the dark. A sleepless malice as black as the oncoming wall of night. So it ever was. So will it always be. In time, all foul things come forth.
You were tracking a company of 13 dwarves. Why?
Not 13. Not anymore. The young one. The black-haired archer. We stuck him with a mortal shaft. The poison's in his blood. He'll be choking on it soon.
Answer the question, filth.
I would not antagonize her.
You like killing things, Orc. You like death. Then let me give it to you.
Toriel, Ego, Wauhi. I do not care about one dead dwarf. Answer the question. You have nothing to fear. Tell us what you know, and I will set you free.
You had orders to kill them. Why? What is Thorin Oakenshield to you?
The dwarf runt will never be king.
King? There is no king under the mountain, nor will there ever be. None would dare enter Erebor, whilst the dragon lives.
You know nothing. Your world will burn.
What are you talking about?
Speak! Our time has come again. My master serves the One. Do you understand now, Elfling? Death is upon you. The flames of war are upon you.
Why did you do that? You promised to set him free.
And I did. I freed his wretched head from his miserable shoulders.
There was more the Orc could tell us.
There was nothing more he could tell me.
What did he mean by the flames of war?
Means they intend to unleash a weapon so great it will destroy all before it. I want the Watch doubled at our borders. All roads, all rivers. Nothing moves but I hear of it. No one enters this kingdom, and no one leaves it.
Following at noon, Tiro Idevnin Hain, Naganet and Aran.
Manos Taurian,
Anos Sen.
Edivina Benedo, Nagu Amegi, Enunandolan.
Knows the Agnash. An Bonish. Kiranish or Kirza.